Now, let's go back and understand how these flow computers are able to solve all those 4 common issues which our customers have mentioned. So the first issue was about accuracy and compliance to the international measurement standard. In a metering system, the very first step is to read the input parameters like differential pressure, static pressure, and temperature as accurately as possible. We are using the latest Rosemount multivariable sensor 215, which has better accuracy performance in real process environment of high pressure and high temperature. The best-in-class temperature measurement done by using our onboard RTD input reduces the uncertainty by as much as 75%. Now, once the data is received inside the flow computer, it goes into calculation algorithm. And here we use double precision 64-bit format for all the variables without any rounding or truncation. Complete calculation is done every second, including the quality analysis like AGA8 for gas and API liquid properties calculations. We also deal with any external issues to provide an enhanced fallback mode options in case of a transmitter failure or a cable damage to continue the metering with an estimated flow rate. Now, all these metrology features are packaged in a single firmware file, which is digitally signed and secured from any kind of file tampering or piracy. There is no need for any special application module or a user program to do the metrology calculation. And this helps to prove the compliance against international measurement standard. Now, let's talk about the second issue, which was to ensure the security and integrity of physical data. Those days are really gone where usernames and passwords were limited to only numbers. Now we have a modern role-based user profile management where user can assign a particular role to their operators and give them a limited privilege. Admin can also restrict the minimum number of characters requirement in the password field, and user can put any alphanumeric or special characters to make the passwords more secure and strong. Even after that, if somebody is trying to crack the password, then device can go itself in a safe lock mode after seeing multiple wrong password attempts. Regarding the data which we log inside the unit for history, we also log a quality bit along with the value of individual records, and that helps to find out any kind of integrity issue. The questionable integrity can be like the data was in manual override mode or alarm mode or fault mode, etc. We have increased the number of events and alarms recording from 200 to 2000, and that 10-fold increase in events and alarms help to find out the answers for difficult questions in tough times like who did what and when. Now, let's talk about the third common issue of reducing the total cost of ownership. These flow computers provide a complete all-in-one solution for measurement, control, and communication in a single packaged box, which helps our customers to save cost of buying and installing extra pieces of equipment in a hazardous area. Along with the saving in material cost, the time required to set up the unit is significantly reduced, which minimizes the man-hour expenses. And during operational phase, the long-term stability of multivariable sensor reduces the frequent requirement of recalibration and verification. Another way we are helping to reduce the site visits is by providing more time data logging for history, events, and alarms. These flow computers are a part of our larger FB series platform, and recently we have added a feature called FBX-NET. FBX-NET is our new generation peer-to-peer networking option where we can securely share the high-speed data between FB3000 RTU and FB series platform. Now, customer can maximize their return on investment by getting access to the production manager application running in a centralized FB3000 RTU. Individual I/O points are software configurable to function as inputs or outputs. The communication ports are also software configurable to function as RS-232 or RS-485 and can be assigned with any software protocol. All of these flexibilities help to accommodate any kind of last-minute change in the project and saves a huge amount of variation cost. Now, let's talk about the last challenge of safety and ease of use. We all know how difficult or challenging it will become sometimes to get into a hazardous area and connect your laptop to the devices. We need to prepare for a work permit, arrange all the safety gears, and then sometimes we also need to have a second operators along with you before you enter into hazardous area. Now we have simplified all that process by providing a secure remote connectivity from a remote location using our FBX Wi-Fi. The next generation FBX Connect software is really like a mobile application. We do not go to a training class to learn about mobile apps. In a similar way, anybody who has some automation background can easily pick up and learn about our FBX Connect software. There are several advanced modern features like copy, paste, and fill in the blank kind of templates in the configuration that simplifies the use of software. FBX View, as I mentioned, is another way to help our new engineers, and along with a customizable home screen option, we can give a one-click access to a single page where engineers can see all of their relevant data at a single place rather than browsing through the software and struggling to find the information they really need.